want to see how well this works for drying it out, so you see if it was really worth all the time and effort that was put into this. Not with the treadle hammer. Got a pair of slip-on tires that I'm going to try now instead. See if those give me a better result. Okay, those felt a lot more natural. Biggest problem I'm going to have, I think, is I need the actual gauze for it, the right ones. Additionally, my tool rack that I built is not working out like I wanted to when I go and use that. My stump is not bolted to the floor, so it still weighs around a lot. I'm going to go ahead and try now with just my sled and see how much of a difference I feel like that's made. I was able to have a whole lot more control on it. I'm going to try one more time, but holding the spike on it differently, because when I did that with the hammer, that was different there too, and I think that might help when I have more of the spike supported by the handle itself. At this point, I don't have the capability to really anchor it to the ground. 2 issues that I have still are the simple fact that there's play and there's rock in it. It's not perfectly level, it's not secured. If I was to secure it, that would be awesome. Just not in a position where I can do that yet. So to build a treadle hammer, highly recommend you do that. up in such a way you're able to lock it down. Second issue, put a foot pedal, make sure that there's clearance to the right of it. I am going to come in, take off some of the log. I'm going to put a foot pedal on there simply because where it feels natural, that log's pushing me out a little bit from there. And I think that if I just trim some of that off, I'd be okay. So, there's a couple things to keep in mind if you ever build your own treadle hammer. Now with this railroad spike, what I'm hoping to do, I'm going to start using my hammer now that I've done the testing, and use the opposite end, because I want to take and draw it out. The goal is to turn this railroad spike into an open the door reflow. So hopefully I'll be able to do that. As far as it goes, drawing it out, it's going to be totally plausible. I know I'm going to be able to get it done. It's going to take quite a while, so I'm not going to show you all the heats going through, and it's going to be several days. When I get done with what I'm doing today, I will go ahead and post a comparison so you see what I've got drawn out and what I still have to draw out. Alright, so I'm done forging this one, of course. Railroad spike I got, nothing's been done to it. As you can tell, I've only got about a ½ an inch out. However, I was only forging total time about not even 15 minutes. So this is obviously going to be a project that takes a while. The biggest thing I've got to do is the fact that as I'm elongating it out, I need to keep switching it up and squaring the bar because I don't want it to get too much wider than the original stock. I want to use most of this for the length, and then I want to keep the head about the same size that it is right now, because I'm just going to bend that once I get everything lengthened out 45. Now I may go ahead and put a twist in it later on after I got it drawn out with something that the treadle hammer would probably, if I had it tuned in where I liked it, would be really good for this, especially getting some spring fullers on here to draw that out quicker. I think that would really make some quick work of it. So my next project is going to be doing the spring fullers simply because that's what I need. Treadle hammer works great for what it is. As I said, biggest thing I would do is take and just secure it to the floor. Not in a position where I can do that with how my forge's shop is currently set up. But other than that, I mean, that's good. What I am going to do, simply because I like to reduce stress in the metal as much as possible, I am going to go ahead and take this spike, and as the forge is off and it's cooling down, that way it'll help to just have that cool down a little bit slower, relieve some of the stresses that are going to naturally occur in there. Normally I prefer to put it in with the forge still going. That's what I did when I was building my knife. Speaking of which, that competition is going to be coming to a close soon. This is the current blade. It is 12.5 inches long, so I meet the parameters there. The handle just needs to get finished and the blade sharpened. Otherwise, that is good. So we will see how we do on that, and that is coming up towards the end of this month. As you can tell, there's obvious forge scale on there. I would love to be able to sand that off, but one, it loses the homemade appearance, or the handmade appearance, the forging appearance, and two, that would take off quite a bit of the thickness from the blade. As it already is, you could tell it isn't very thick, so there's not a whole lot of weight I've got to take off in it. So, but really happy with how this has turned out. So, guys, have a great day. Remember, emergency room visit, never in anybody's budget.